Today we're going to be making these sweet gift envelopes. You can decide to decorate them any way you want, but how they work is you open it up and then you can put your note or your little gift, in this case a little happy birthday confetti, right inside. So let's get started. You can use it with any kind of paper you want. These two are leftover cardstock. This is a magazine page, and the one we're going to be making today is from an old children's book. So the first thing you're going to need to do is make a square. The easiest way to make a perfect square is you're going to take the bottom right corner and bring it up to make a triangle. Then you're going to bend the top part over, and then once you cut this piece off right here, you'll have your perfect square. You can also decide, you can make this any size you want. I'm also going to just go ahead and cut off that little piece from when I took it out of the book. So I was thinking, this one, I think I want to have a little bit of the words as well, so I want to make sure that that part shows. So the first thing you're going to do is you have your square. You're going to take the bottom and bring it into that center line that's right here. Fold that right in. Then you're going to fold the entire piece up on that center line, like so. Then you're going to take the right and fold it over. You're going to take the left and fold it over. Then you're going to take this piece right here and fold it back over like so, and then bring it up. And then you're going to put your finger inside and fold that down, and it makes this really sweet little square that'll be your closure. If you have a bone folder, this would be a good time to just make sure all your folds are very, very crisp. And then you're going to fold this down, and then you tuck it right in, like so. And there you go. And then if you want to decorate it, I have these different stickers that you can use. It's totally up to you. I like to have like a little something extra there, but you don't have to. And then another option as well is I like to glue these flaps down. Again, it's totally optional, but I just think it lays a little bit nicer. And once that dries, you can go ahead and put whatever you want inside. So if you want to put that happy birthday in there, you could write a little love note, whatever you want, you can put it inside. If you wouldn't mind commenting below on the type of paper you use and what you used this for. Was it a graduation gift or birthday?